If you're a coffee drinker and you've never tried home brewed cold brew coffee, you don't know what you're missing. It is so delicious, my friends, so delicious. It's so smooth. Roasted coffee beans, 9 ounces. Compresso coffee grinder. KitchenAid stainless steel cold brew coffee brewer. Drop this in your refrigerator 18 to 24 hours later. The first cold brew coffee that I tried was at Starbucks, and I was blown away. In my opinion, it blows their entire menu out of the water. If you look at the menu at Starbucks, it's nothing but candy, vanilla, lattes, and caramel frappuccinos, and cinnamon bun this, and pumpkin spice. The reason why they gotta put so much sugar in their coffee is because their hot brewed coffee is crap. One day I was in Costco and I noticed they had a house brand. It was the Kirkland Signature House Blend. This is Starbucks coffee. Not gonna lie, it's delicious. So, you know, the simple recipe is this. Brew your cold brew and your concentrated syrup, you're gonna have to dilute it. And I dilute it with 1 part water to 1 part syrup. And in my last batch, yielded 32 ounces of syrup. I mixed that with 32 ounces of water, and it gave me 64 ounces of cold brew coffee. Now, I dilute it even further, and I'll do about a 1 part almond milk to a 2/3 my coffee mix. Drink it every morning. Next week, we'll be back to cold brew and review this Starbucks Reserve Guatemala Santa Cecilia Estate small lot coffee. We're gonna cold brew this and see how it stacks up to the Kirkland brand. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.